Today I show you how to make this simple seed bread. You basically just have to mix the ingredients together, knead the dough and wait for the bread to bake. You need flour. In this case I used spelt flour, salt, baking powder, oat milk, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. We are starting with mixing the powdered ingredients together. I used 500 grams of flour, 7 grams of baking powder and 4 grams of salt. Now you can add the oat milk. Meanwhile, preheat the oven on 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the oat milk and the flour very well and make sure there are no lumps. Whenever your dough gets this rubbery texture, you can add your seeds and work them into it. Now spread the flour on your worktop and start kneading the dough. Add more flour the more you knead. By kneading the dough you create a more elastic texture. It'll rise better in the oven and the bread will stay in its original shape. Whenever this step is done, form the dough into the shape you want it to be, rub it with a little bit more flour and make a cut into the top to prevent the crust from tearing on the sides. I used a baking dish, which wasn't a good idea because the bread didn't get enough heat from all sides. Better use a normal baking plate or baking stone if you have one and put a little bit of flour on it so your bread won't stick to it. I put the bread inside the oven for 25 minutes but added 15 more minutes because it wasn't fully baked on the inside. While baking I prepared a kind of bruschetta topping. For this I diced tomatoes. 5 minutes before the bread is ready, I coated the crust with water to make it more crunchy. To the tomatoes I added 1 garlic clove, I also added olive oil, as well as salt, pepper and dried cilantro, and mixed all ingredients. As soon as the bread is baked, you can eat it. Due to the seeds, the taste is very mild and sweet. You can try out variations of this recipe with different seeds and different flours, and of course different toppings.